Hi and welcome to AfriHost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cPanel account on a reseller package in WHM. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select ClientZone at the top of the page. Enter your ClientZone username and password and click Login. If this is your first time logging into ClientZone on this device, you may receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP number and select Submit to log in. Once you are logged into ClientZone, select the Hosting tab. Select the VISP or Managed Server account from the list of hosting products on the right-hand side. Select the cPanel button to access WHM. The WHM interface will load on a new tab. Select Account Functions from the menu on the left-hand side, and then select Create a New Account from the sub-menu below. To create a new account, enter the domain name which you are creating the cPanel account for. Click on the username field, and the username will be generated automatically for you. Enter a strong, secure password of your choice and retype it. As you type the password, you will see your password strength below. If the password is not strong enough, it will not be accepted. Alternatively, you can select the password generator to create a strong password for you. Under Email, enter the admin email address where emails regarding this cPanel account will be sent. Under Package, select a hosting package that you want to link to this account. Scroll down and select the Create button to complete the process. You have successfully created a cPanel account in WHM.